in some lectures there is an actual mitzvah of resting on Shabbos. So if this is the case, is it good to only rest during the whole Shabbos?
No, rest meaning is not. So when the Torah says rest, meaning abstain from Melacha. Melacha is some creative works that we're not allowed to do on Shabbos. But to sleep the whole Shabbos, it's a waste of life. So it says in another place, it says that the Shabbos was created for learning Torah. So we have to know, like in olden days, it was people were very, very poor, and it was very hard to make a living, especially when we live in all of this country of these anti-Semites, and they to make living was very, very hard, very, very hard. You eat the old story from Ashkenaz, how people live there. So it's terrible. They fasted, they give children. They suffered a lot. You understand? So of course, if a a man is obligated to learn Torah, but he's busy to provide for his family. So on Shabbos, he's not busy with other things. So he's obligated to learn Torah. So rest meaning rest from all melachas, but men must learn Torah on Shabbos. And actually, not only men, and it was said about Holy Mother of Eliyahu Lapian, our great Rabbi Zatzal. So his mother, even though she never learned, she was a widow since early age. I'm not sure from what age, and she was raising several children. It was very hard, very difficult life, right? And but she managed to learn all of the midrashim. So all night on Shabbos, like after a meal, she would learn midrashim, right? And Rabbi Eliyahu Lapian, the great speaker that he was, the great Rabbi Talmid Chacham, he was like in the olden days, he would consult with his mother because she read these midrashim so many times that she knew them by heart. It's unbelievable. So this rabbi consulted his mother. And of course, it would provide her satisfaction, nechama, she would of course enjoy it. But that's the thing. So men and women are obligated to learn Torah. Because why? Because Hashem is he's taking over, right? He said you don't have to do anything, right? I absolve you, but learn Torah. Don't sleep the whole day. Of course, it's if you want to take a nap, so take a nap, but take a nap 1 hour, 1.5 hours, but not 3 hours or 5 hours.